Hi guys, today I've got a super cute project for you. We'll be making a Pokemon terrarium. I've made two versions, an artificial terrarium and a real one using grass. You will need blue pigment, UV resin, a Pokemon figurine, a pokeball, brown paint, UV torch, water, clay, and lastly some grass. Start off by cutting a small round piece of grass. Make sure it fits and trim it accordingly. Leave a small gap at the front, this is for the water feature. Trim any long pieces sticking out so that you can close your Pokeball properly. Now we're going to create a small mould from clay to hold the water feature. Place it inside and manipulate it further into shape. Paint the edge brown to mimic mud and make it look more realistic. Now we're going to move on to make our water feature. Take a drop of blue pigment and mix it with your UV resin. I use a toothpick to do this. Alternatively, you can mix it in a cup and then just pour it in. Add more resin until your piece is almost full. Now we're going to cure that with our UV torch for 15 minutes. This is how it looks after it's cured. Now I'm going to place my little Pikachu in the centre of the grass. Test that your Pokeball can open up and close just fine. So here we have the finished Pokemon terrarium. We used real grass in this one to mimic the Pokemon's natural wild habitat. If you prefer an artificial terrarium and something you don't need to take care of, carry on watching because we'll be making an artificial one. The only thing we'll be changing is the grass. Begin by circling the outside of your Pokeball on the opposite side of your grass mat. Once you have your outline, just cut that. Now you want to trim a quarter of this off so that the water feature fits in. Take some bubble wrap or anything you have lying at home just to fill in the empty hollow space in the Pokeball. Now glue your artificial grass on top of that. This is how it should be looking now. Make sure your Pokeball can open and close. Finish off by gluing your Pokemon figurine into place. And you're done. Let me know what version of this Pokemon terrarium you prefer. Comment in the section below. I will mention all the products that I used and where I brought them from in my blog, and I will link this in the description box and the comment section, so be sure to check it out. If you love this cute 2-in-1 craft tutorial and want to see more, hit the like button. Thank you for watching, I appreciate it. Please subscribe and share my video with others. Until next time, bye.